No. It's a different crowd right now because, well, basically, it's something that I share with you, yung nararamdaman ko ngayon. It's being one with the Lord. Alam niyo yan? You have no idea how different it is for performance like us. You have no idea kung ano yung difference when you see people cheering for you na nakikinig ng music mo, being able to sing in front of people is something that you learn, of course, pero for it to be an instrument to make people happy, that's something different. And I can do it lagi, dito, palagi itong gagawin ko. It won't work if it wasn't for God. Totoo yan. And, you know, you realize you're cheering for God, no? You're not cheering for what I'm saying, you know? And apparently, a song of mine from my first album, ni-request nila, so, nakantahin ko. It's a song about, you know, being human, being isang taong makasalanan, pero at the same time, nararamdaman mo na okay lang kay Lord, alam mo yun, so mag-sorry ka lang, bumalik ka lang, okay pa rin siya. Tapos, parang, yung sa hindi ko alam kung may mga iba dito na nakakaalam ng song mo, but it's a very beautiful song, not because it's a beautiful song, but because it's a song about beauty, and that's forgiveness. God's forgiveness. Right? So how about a round of applause to the one and only guy right there who we owe everything to. First, I'd like to thank RFC for inviting me and ano ba to? Yeah, I'd like to promote them also. I have a store there, somewhere in the third floor. It's a BB Park. It's a really promote, eh, no? Pero I have yeah.